casino, having fun, chilling. This nigga got the hiccups.
Man, don't put. Dude, man, look, don't listen to him. Yeah, you bitch.
He ain't playing. He really sounds like that.
You bitch. Go hit me in my fucking chin.
Huh?
Fuck
What?
you.
You can't write this shit.
This fresh out the dome, man.
I had to get on video. It's too funny. And plus, I look too goddamn good. Fuck. Fuck you and everything you stand for, ho.
Really? You gonna put the bitch back on me? Really? I don't know. Just fuck it. Fuck it.
loves you.
It loves you, yeah.
Hey, it says this slide is hot. You heard me? It says this slide is
A
hot.
lot of motherfuckers
Somebody
say
hit
that.
on it.
No, a lot of them say that.
Man, I'm serious, man. This shit starting to hurt my chest like fucking for real.
I don't know what to tell you.
Nah, like y'all think I'm bullshitting. This like this shit is really
What
hurting
you
my
do?
chest.
Go to the bathroom, go to the stars, stick a finger down your throat.
Mm-hmm.
I can't make myself throw up. Nigga, I rip my esophagus. I can't make myself throw up.
You sucking dick for gas money, nigga.
Bitch,
You want
got
to
me
go
fucked up. I
out?
don't suck dick. I eat pussy.
Cause eating that ratchet
Yup.
shit. It's too funny. I had to get over it. It's just too funny.
Yo.
You think it sounds like a cross between a squealing pig and a chicken clucking?
Seal.
Fuck both of y'all.
That's a seal mixed with a camel.
Like, I've been to Iraq. I don't know if camels even make noises. Smile for the camera, nigga.
No, motherfucker, get the fucking camera out my face. Yes. You know what? Rick, man, I said get the motherfucking camera out my goddamn face. Shit.
We started a new TV show. It's called Hiccups.
Sorry, Cajun. And no, not Kevin Gates. This nigga ain't got one job. He ain't got one job. He always talking about T-Tide.
Got me fucked up. I never get tired.
Yeah. You get
July
tired
that.
of Hiccups,
July that.
Fuck.
Oh, this is going on YouTube because it's too long for Facebook. This is going on YouTube.
It ain't no.
You know if you hiccup all the way home,
Oh, it's gonna be. Oh,
he
dude.
ain't gonna let you let this out anyway.
I'm gonna let you know right now. I'm gonna burn my battery out of my phone.
So you just gonna keep recording the whole time I got hiccups, huh?
Yeah, pretty much.
Hey, drink my goddamn drink.
But you know how many views you gonna get on Instagram and all that for this? Thousands.
Can't put it on Instagram. It's too long. It only go on Facebook and YouTube.
Nigga, we can't edit this shit. yeah. We got the hiccup monster with us.
Fuck both of y'all with a sick fucking dick.
Fuck yourself with your own dick, ho.
Yeah. Sound like you the one talking on that big
Man, God, I know you don't want me cussing right now, but
It's kind of late for that. It's kind of late for that. Let's go walk by this beautiful young lady right here.
No,
Yes,
please, no,
yes.
please. Please, no. No.
I sound like an evil villain and shit. This shit comes so funny as hell. I've never heard nothing.
I can't even talk.
You scared?
You know what? I'm impressed though. Even though that you're from Central, you enunciate that extremely well. To talk, you enunciate that well.
I'm part white.
Boy, that ain't got nothing to do with the way you pronounce your
Mm-mm,
word.
you went to Central.
You don't mean shit.
Yeah, it mean a lot because of that hiccup.
All right, that's gonna stop.
They about to stop, yeah. When you exhale, you about to stop. I'm gonna leave him alone for right now.
Take it. Yeah.
That was good. That came from deep. That came from way down in this motherfucker down here. Like way down here. 4 minutes? I think that's more than
Nah,
enough time.
hey, but nah, like for real, these the ones that I was talking
Alright,
about
y'all.
though. Right here.
Peace, love, all that shit. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, Valentine's. You know, it is what it is.
Peace
But-
and a bottle of hat grease.
There we go.
Martin.
If you ain't heard from me, it don't mean I don't fuck with you. Just mean I've been busy. If I don't fuck with you, you know who you are.
Finish the outro. You know I can start making an outro. Finish it.
I can't, because every time I try to, it's like I keep getting interrupted by this goddamn pig.
Hey, we just found KJ's big brother, Wild Panda. If KJ was chewing on this bamboo stick like this panda was, he probably wouldn't have the hiccups.
I swear this nigga looks, he sounds like Rico off the goddamn Penguins. You know, the one that keep hiccuping, coughing up shit like fucking sledgehammers and shit.
We need a screwdriver, Rico.
Rico.
Really? Ouch! What? What knee?
You ain't got no knee in that leg.
He's got ankles.
He ain't got no keiko. Okay, I guess the outro just went out the window. Come on, give it up. Don't give it up.
That's my thought.
Give up. I know.
I'm far from throwing up.
Let me get over here, cause I got on white. You throw up on me, we fighting.
Walk ahead of us.
Yeah.
I wonder if we can get you a ticket for excessive pickups.
You know what? Yo, you sound like a chicken and a pig mixed together. But what makes it worse when this nigga walk, you know he ain't got no knees.
Hey, I know what can scare him. Excuse me, Mr. Sucker.
A fine woman?
No, walk up to him with a Jason.
Oh yeah.
You hit me with a goddamn taser, I'm gonna kick
Hey,
your ass.
you know them hiccups getting on his ass looking sweet.
Hey, yo,
No.
you all little glossy like right around here. You're a little glossy.
You look like a brand new penny fresh out the line.
Yeah, I got Ultra Sheen across your goddamn forehead, nigga. That's
That's
old
a
school.
soul glow.
Old school Ultra
That
Sheen.
soul glow. Got all your goddamn Jerry curl juice on my couch.
Man, I can't laugh.
Oh, the priceless moments in life, I swear. We in this casino, I'm winning a little bit of money.
And we rolling on KJ.
However much ain't none of your goddamn business. Don't ask me to borrow no money, you ain't getting nothing.
Hey, let
Don't
me have
ask for your-
$10.
Fuck you and everything you stand for, ho.
I give you 30 when I get my money.
Bitch, you owe me $20 for 2 years
I
ago.
know,
still.
that's why I'm. No.
2 years ago.
No.
said 10, I'm about to say, nigga, you
No,
say what up?
the first time it was 10 from 2 years ago, then you let me borrow another 10.
As soon
Now
as
I'm
you get
asking
ready
for
to
another
stop.
10.
With
As
no
soon as you
interest.
stop explaining.
With no interest.
As soon as you
hear
stop
that shit?
explaining, this nigga gon' yeah.
Yep,
Yeah.
there it is. Oh, this is going on YouTube.
Oh yeah.
When? Tonight.
In a couple of not tonight, nigga. In the morning, nigga.
Well, technically it's morning.
morning.
As soon as the sun come up.
It's 7 o'clock in the morning.
Sun ain't up
It's
yet.
6:30. 2.
The sun ain't up yet.
No,
Nope.
it's starting to come up.
No, it's not. No, it's not. Because you be able to see it through the windows right there.
Cause sun.
It's supposed to be raining out here and cloudy.
Rising
No,
east,
sun rises
sets-
on the east and
sets
sets
in the west. We're in close to the east, so shoot.
No, that's north though.
No, it's not. Never mind.
On the actual,
That's why I said fucking never mind.
Go ahead and say south.
Fuck you.
It's capital T. South.
hey, you know what? This is funny right now. It's been funny for about the past. How long has the video been running? 9 minutes.
15 something minutes.
But you know what? The
Actually,
sad part
15
is,
because we just started recording like 9 minutes ago.
yeah, we really did. But you know what? This shit's gonna get annoying. I'll punch this nigga in the throat on the way home. I gotta
Hey,
ride.
look.
You gotta ride with me.
Hold on. We gonna help this nigga. Come on, walk over here to the soda.
You know what? If I kick him in the, if I kick him in,
corner with your ass.
No, fool, we not about to hurt you, bro. We about to drink some of this Sarah Mist real quick.
oh, it's over there.
Go
Soda
drink,
ain't gonna help.
nigga, go drink some Sarah Mist with no
The
ice.
carbonation may actually help. Cause all it is
It's
is.
gonna make it worse.
Oh, we
Depends on
gotta.
how fast
We
you drink.
definitely gotta
Oh,
go.
hell
Depends on how
no.
We
fast you
gotta
drink.
go.
No.
We definitely gotta go.
Dude, don't run. I'm telling people to take one of that plugs. They gonna believe me too.
We look, we look respect. You ain't got no chest, bitch.
We actually representing grown men. You represent the minions.
You mean your titties?
Fuck you. Bald headed bastard.
Don't fuck me, bitch. Fuck like me. Where's
I
your cake?
fuck Bill.
You know, you can see the lies. The lies,
You hiccup
you know what? He couldn't get the lie out of his mouth.
God damn, she killed motherfucker. Yo. Look at the business. Curly head ass.
I'll straighten that motherfucker out.
Yeah, YouTube. Welcome to the booth, Louisiana. You know, we out from Texas, but we out here doing our thing. In the casino.
Up to NY.
KJ fucked up a nigga vibe and shit with all these motherfucking
Hiccups.
It ain't my fault.
Nah, it is your
It
fault.
is your fault. Nobody told you to drink that shit that fast.
It wasn't because I was drinking that shit that fast.
He's so nasty, nigga.
You know what? I'll take that back because he really wasn't drinking it fast. Been babysitting the same goddamn drink for Pat.
No, nigga, this is my fucking second one. I killed my first one.
KJ put that
How the
little
fuck is on
ashtray
his
back.
second one? I had like 4 drinks.
I don't know, man. You both had about
I'm
4.
sick because I'm sick. When I'm sick, I don't drink a lot.
And that's why you fucked up. You should drink a lot when you're sick.
This is what me,
That's coffee.
This is what me and Tommy
I know it's coffee.
This is what me and Tommy
Coffee?
gonna do.
It's not coffee, nigga. It's coffee.
Coffee?
Coffee.
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 Bitch, at bend it up. Fuck. Bitch, at bend it up. Stupid though, man. Hey, all that sugar gonna really make your ass sick up.
Like the shit too.
Ooh, especially put that cream in it.
You know, I don't know where you know fat people with sugar.
Hey,
Here go this pretty lady.
how you doing, man?
That was another one?
Yes.
Yes.
Alright.
Are you saying
Y'all sell liquid cocaine? No.
Liquid marijuana?
Yeah, either one. It don't matter.
Liquid marijuana?
It's actually selling. Well, technically, y'all selling because you are paying, so y'all kind of paying.
Yeah. It's all right.
And
This is actually, he's actually fancy as hiccups. You gotta listen.
Yeah, we make a video. We're gonna get famous.
Just listen. Just listen. It's coming.
Don't listen to what they're telling you right now.
Just wait for
Why you talking all over?
Just wait for it. Trying to make his voice sound all deep and shit.
did you want to walk me home?
Yes.
Okay. So he don't want that.
And let me get a walk home too.
You want to walk me home too?
Oh, you want?
I want to walk me home. He wants to walk me home.
And a liquid marijuana.
marijuana. I'm gonna
Okay.
take his drink, so because
I am. That's why I said I
So
want
he
that.
want what?
We'll split it.
All right.
2 walk me homes and liquor marijuana.
He needs somebody to walk up on him with a tape.
You filled that up way too much.
No, I didn't.
Bro, that's
You
gonna
gonna
get
catch
you
it.
mud.
You gon'
No, it ain't.
Dude, you see how much cream you got now?
spell show. Spell show. Mud butt.
It's gonna be peeling paint off the wall sitting on the toilet. Somebody open the window.
Fuck the windows. Nigga, open the front door.
Every time I come in the kitchen, you in the kitchen. In the goddamn refrigerator.
Shut up, man. I'm trying to stop. Shut the fuck
Eating up all of
This is never gonna get old. This is never gonna get old.
Hey, this
My
what
name
I'm
is
gonna
Devin. My bros call me Tommy. It's Black Rob.
This
Not
Black Rob.
Tyrese Black Rob, but Black Rob.
do. Call me Wesley. Wesley Snipes,
Oh,
bitch.
my ears.
Oh,
I'm
see?
gonna kick in your motherfucking throat. That might hit hiccups, bring your face.
I'm just kicking your fucked up ass leg.
How you gonna kick somebody? You ain't got a leg stand out. Bad as it
Look.
is.
This is how I know I'm feeling the alcohol. Look.
Oh, shit.
Yo, Mr. Hiccups.
Ooh, fucking bad. That was actually more of a cluck.
Now, you want to sign his shirt? He has the hiccups. He been hicking up for like the past 30 minutes.
You know, you just slow down your walk. If you, yep, he's really hiccuping. That's how he really sounds. Just wait for it.
Do anybody around here have a taser? We trying to cure him.
First thing you ever heard, huh? First thing you ever heard, huh? Look, she laughing. She just shake her head and walk away.
I mean, Lord, why?
You know what? Here's a
She
better
making our
question.
day, bro.
Here's a better question.
Why
not?
Why couldn't be nobody else? Why me? Of all people.
Because you're the weird one.
Yo, you Mr. KJ spilling coffee on them.
So,
Yachty. Hiccup.
you actually remind me of that motherfucking meme with the goggles on. What's his name? Kevin?
Yeah.
He's kind of crazy
Kevin
motherfucker. Kevin had cluck again. Cluck
Oh,
again.
look,
Cluck
look,
again.
look.
Cluck again.
Have you noticed Kev's the only one rocking a triangle? Freemason.
You know what? That means his name is Kevin. Your name is Kevin.
He's holding up a trophy. You're holding up a coffee cup. You got the hiccups, and he's just a bitch.
He is a hiccup.
Yeah.
And on that note, on that last note, we're out. Fuck with your boy.
Insta